goal is to give you the tools to bring your editing skills to the next level. Make sure that you have the Final Cut Pro closed. The first thing that we're gonna do, you're gonna go to dafont.com. You're gonna be able to see all these options and categories over here. If you want something for Christmas, they have. Or if you have a specific font, you can just search on the search bar and you're able to see as well. I'm just gonna go for something more basic. Title of your video. If you press submit, you're gonna be able to see how it would look like. On the right side, you're gonna be able to see if it's 100% free or 100% free just for personal use. Be aware of that. And if you wanna donate for the author, you're able to do that as well. You're just gonna click download and you should be able to download that font. You're gonna open the file and you're just gonna double click and you're gonna go install font. After that, you're gonna open Final Cut Pro, gonna go to titles, look for a basic. I'm just gonna drag a simple one so you can use. Click the title and we're gonna see right here on the font that we have all these fonts that have been downloaded already. We're gonna go for the font that we look for, that's Kiona, and boom, and done. You can do it with all these other fonts as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, but this is just a little part of editing. If you want to bring your editing skills to the next level, I have a playlist full of Final Cut Pro tutorials just for you. Consider subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you know every single time that I post a new tutorial. Follow me on social media and I'll see you in the next video.